Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It's Friday, May 22nd. We're here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, the corn market. The first chart of corn here I put in front of you. And you can see we're trending lower here. I got a 50-period moving average. That's maybe 15 cents above the market. So, perhaps a short covering rally here in corn can ensue. The funds are short 214,000 contracts, short corn. It's working. There's no reason for them to exit right here, right now. So we'll just, certainly the corn market's crowded with shorts here, and, if things change, that could be a bullish reaction here in the short term. There is growing conviction now that the U.S. corn area, despite early planning, is the USDA March forecast of 97 million acres of corn planted in our great country. That's not going to happen. We're not going to have 97 million acres of corn. North Dakota off to the slowest start in 30 years, and it's interesting, North Dakota still has corn in the field from last year that they're harvesting and combining and not able to plant corn this year. So this high 97 million acre, that's a high water mark for corn acres this year. Credit Suisse sees Mexico's economy shrinking by 4% this year. It's not good news. Right here in North America, Canada, USA, Mexico, just the demand for grain and agriculture can be gigantic if we hit on all cylinders, and we're not. So we'll just have to see. Corn planting about 80% complete, so that's a good number. Soybean planting about 54% complete, so moving along on soybeans. The chart on soybeans now, you can see the rally failed. You're wearing the lower Bollinger Band that I put in front of you here today. Funds are long 32,000 contracts of soybeans, so they think there's some upside potential in soybean, and hence that's why they're long here. So we'll keep talking about that. China's advising now stocking up on grains. So you're seeing the world, I think, rethinking their food security. And China this week, they bought U.S. sorghum, they bought U.S. soybean, they bought U.S. soybean oil, they bought U.S. cotton and hides. They canceled purchases of beef and pork, so going the wrong way on pork purchases in here. Earlier this week, I saw an announcement, no USDA sales announcements again. So we need to see export sales on a daily basis announced from USDA, and hopefully that's what lies ahead. But each passing day, this turmoil with China, USA continues, and so I'm back to this world rethinking their food security, and maybe they're going to grow their wheat supplies in here. I thought a rally in wheat early in the week was going to help corn support it early in the week, and that did not happen. So here we are now. There is celebration that this, that the states of USA are back on board, and that's going to help demand. But if this virus resurges in a few weeks, it's quickly going to turn to despair. So that's it, and let's all have an excellent weekend. Take